Morning. You know, we have discussed about the interference due to thin film in previous lecture. You remember?
Yes, sir.
Hello, you get my
Yes,
voice?
sir.
Anshuman, do you
Yes,
get
sir.
my voice?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Divyam,
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone get my voice.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Vansika, 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 do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Vansika,
Yes, sir.
do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Anyone, any problem? Divyanshi, so you know,
Yes, sir.
okay, any question about thin film? Otherwise, I proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I proceed further.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, we discussed about the interference due to thin film. So I want to share my PPT. Have you seen my PPT?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
You know,
sir. It's present.
we want to discuss about the interference due to thin film, interference in plane parallel thin film. Interference has taken by two methods. First one is interference due to a reflected ray of light. Interference due to reflected ray of light. Yesterday we have discussed about this one. This is the thin film, you know very well. This is just I want to revise. Okay, you know, this is thin film of thickness T. The ray of light incident here. The reflection and transmission taken at point A, and again at point B, reflection and transmission takes place. Again at point C, reflection and transmission takes point C, and again at point D, transmission and reflection takes place. This is the rare medium. This is the air. We have taken thin film. We have thin film means we taken oil, anything. They have a refractive index mu. The thickness of this thin film is small t. When light incident here, reflection, transmission takes place. You know this R1 and R2. Have you seen this R1 R2? This R1 and R2 interfere and interference pattern is observed. So this is called interference due to reflected ray of light. Interference of thin film due to reflected ray of light. Again, you know this one. I hope you've seen by your screen. This is T1 and this is T2. This is T1 is the transmitted ray of light, and this is T2. This is the another transmitted ray of light. Again, this will be interfere, and the interference pattern is observed. This is called the interference due to transmitted ray of light. Clear? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So what I have done yesterday, we have previous lecture. What I've done, you know, the ray of light passes from AR1, and ray of light passes from CR2. We have calculated the path difference. So how can I calculate the path difference? We have, you know, you drawn here the perpendicular here. This is point N. So I want to calculate the path difference between AR1 and CR2 is equal to the ray of light travel in the medium mu. What is this? ABC minus, this is extra path created by this one. So this is minus AN in medium. But in this medium, air is one. Sorry, this medium is air, and the refractive index of air is 1. So that the, you know, already I discussed about the path difference between AR1, between ray of light from AR1 and between ray of light from CR2 is equal to the ray of light travel in the path of refractive index mu ABC minus AN into R. So I want to calculate the condition for maxima minima. For calculating the condition of maxima minima, we must have the path difference. So we have to calculate the path difference between AR1 and CR2. In previous lecture I discussed in detail. So path ABC in film minus path AN is air. So ABC means film means we take an oil, we can take any kind of thin film. The refractive index, suppose that mu. Okay, and what is path ABC? Path ABC means AB plus BC minus AN into air. This is refractive index of air is 1, so it is written as only 1 multiplied by mu, but mu is 1, so I written here only air. So I want to calculate the value of AB and BC and AN. Previous lecture we have calculated this value. See the value of AN. The value of AN is equal to 2 mu t sine square R into sec R. This value is calculated in previous lecture, and we have also calculated the value of AB. AB. The value of AB is T sec R, and value of AB and BC is same. So I want to substitute this value in equation 1. When I substitute this value in equation number 1, path difference P. Path difference P is equal to mu into AB plus BC. The value of AB is T sec R. What is T? T is the thickness of thin film. Where P is equal to mu T sec R, this is the value of AB, and AB and BC are both same. So the T sec R plus T sec R minus AN. What is the value of AN? AN is 2 mu t sine square R into sec R. In previous lecture, we have calculated in detail. So I substitute this value here. So substituting this value in equation 1, we can easily calculate the path difference. Anyone have any problem? Can you tell me? You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Vansika. Hello, Vansika.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
problem to anyone?
No, sir.
Hello. You get my
No
voice?
problem, sir.
You
Yes,
get
sir.
my voice clear?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
Thank you. So I substitute this value. My screen is visible. My PPT PowerPoint presentation is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I substitute this value here. So what is this? This is the value of AB. This is the value of BC. Both are same. So that P is equal to mu T is I want to make this one line 1. I will take pointer so it will clear. So this is mu. The value of AB is T sec R plus T sec R minus value of AN is 2 mu t sine square R into sec R. So very well. So I want to edit this one. This value is, I hope, 2t sec R into mu. So this value is 2 mu t sec R, and this value is ultimately I written here minus 2 mu t sine square R into sec R. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this this is the first term, this is second term. What is it taken common? We can take it as a common 2 mu t sec R. We have taken this common, so here is in left hand side this is 1, and in this one is sine square R. So what is this? 1 minus sine square R, you can write here cos square R. So that remaining value will be 2 mu t sec R into cos square R. Again, I want to check this sec R. You can also write sec R means 1 upon cos R. So 1 upon cos R into cos R will cancel out. Then what is the value of left? The path difference is equal to 2 mu t cos R. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the path. Again, you keep in mind. This is very important. The ray AR1. I want to go back. If you don't mind, I want to go back. First slide. This one. I hope you've seen this slide.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
What is this? The ray of light passing SA is the source of light incident here. This is the rare medium. And light goes through in thin film. This is the denser medium. You keep in mind, always keep in mind, where light passes from, this is the rule, when light passes from rare to denser medium, there is a phase change of pi. Automatic, the phase of pi ray of light changes, and it is equal to pi. So you keep in mind, when light passes from rare to denser medium, there is a phase change of pi, and when light passes from denser to rare medium, there is no change of phase. So always you keep in mind, when light passes from rare to denser medium, they have phase change of pi, and when light passes from denser medium to rare medium, they have no change. There is no phase change. Okay, you should keep in mind. So I want to come here at point this one. No, this one. You know, again I use this formula. What is formula? The ray of light AR1 having suffered reflection at the surface of denser medium undergoes a phase change of pi. You know, I tell you, when light passes from rare to denser medium, there is a phase change of pi, which is equivalent to path difference lambda by 2, which is equal to the path difference lambda by 2. Hence, you know, what is the effective path difference? You know, hence the effective path difference between ray of light from AR1 and CR2 is, you have to calculate it, 2 mu t cos r plus minus lambda by 2. What is lambda plus minus? You know, this is the phase change. What is this? Phase change is pi, and pi is path difference equal to lambda by 2. So what is the effective path difference? The effective path difference between ray of light from AR1 and CR2 is 2 mu t cos r plus minus lambda by 2. This is the effective path difference between AR1 and CR2. Again, I mentioned you that when ray of light passes from AR1 means light passes from rare medium to denser medium, they have suffered a phase change of pi. What is the path difference? If phase change is pi, this is equal to path difference of lambda by 2. So that effective path difference between two rays of light from AR1 and CR2 is 2 mu t cos r plus minus lambda by 2. Plus minus lambda by 2 is so the path difference. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, you know, I want to calculate the condition for maxima and minima. You know, already I tell you that interference we get maxima intensity and minima intensity. Okay, you know very well. We have to calculate this maxima and minima intensity with the help of path difference. So, firstly, we have to, you know, in interference, in any case, firstly we have to calculate the path difference. Then we have to proceed further for the intensity of maxima and minima. Clear? I hope any problem? You get my voice, my friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. No
So, you know, I want to calculate the condition for maxima and minima. You know, already I tell you, my dear friend, already I tell you that interference in thin film is taken by two conditions, by reflected ray of light, and we discuss about the transmitted ray of light. So I want to discuss detail about the reflected ray of light, and same thing going to happen in the transmitted ray of light. So, you know, condition of maxima and minima in reflected ray of light. So, you know, I want, you know, for maxima, you know, already I'll tell you that, my dear friend, already I discussed you in the first slide that when the path difference equal to even multiple of half wavelength, even multiple of half wavelength is 2n lambda by 2 or n lambda. This is called condition of maxima. You know or not? Hello, my friend. Do you know this point?
Yes, sir.
You know already. You know in the first when we talk about the condition of interference. So it is very important that at what condition we get the maximum intensity and at what condition we get the minimum intensity. So you always keep in mind when path difference is even multiple of half wavelength. Even multiple means 2n into lambda by 2 or n lambda. 2 to cancel out. So similarly, the intensity minimum when path difference equal to odd multiple of half wavelength. 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 or 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. So you always keep in mind for maximum intensity 2n lambda by 2, even multiple of half wavelength, and for the minimum intensity, the condition is odd multiple of half the wavelength. Clear? I hope no problem. Shaditya. Anyone, any problem? Hello, you get my voice? Actually, I want to check my voice and everything, any network issue.
Yes, sir.
I want to okay?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Actually, you know, since I'm not in front of you, so it may be some network issue. So I want to check that I'm okay, you are okay. Okay? Clear?
Clear. Yes.
So you know, again, for the condition, I want to discuss about the maxima. Maxima means part difference is 2 mu t cos r minus lambda 2 lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda. So what is this? What is the condition? 2 mu t cos 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. This is the condition for maxima. You know what it means? It means that when this condition is satisfied, you know what does it mean? It means that when this condition is satisfied, then the film will be appearing bright in the reflected ray of light. You again keep in mind, when this condition is satisfied, then we get the bright fringes due to reflected ray of light. Yeah, the interference due to reflected ray of light. When this condition is satisfied, 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. We get the maximum intensity. Yeah, you can say that we get the bright fringes. So for getting the bright fringes, this condition must be satisfied. Clear? So this for maxima. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, you know, again, when this condition is what is the minima? You know, again, I tell you that minima means we have taken the value of, you know very well, 2 mu t cos r minus lambda by 2. This is the effective part difference is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, so that 2 mu t cos r is equal to l lambda. When solve this one, you solve this one, 2 mu t cos r is equal to lambda by, you have to transfer here. So 2 mu t cos r is equal to l lambda. This is the condition for minima. This is condition for minima means, yes.
Sir, how do we decide in which one it will be minus lambda by 2 and in which it will be plus lambda by 2?
Oh no, that's good. You know, it may be plus minus lambda by 2. So you know, you define by this value, the value of n. You know, the value of n. Okay, this is the value of n equal to 0, 1, 2, and a value is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, you know, again is this one. This one you know very well. This is the 2n minus 1. Here I have taken n equal to 1 because you know odd multiple. Odd multiple means here I have taken n equal to 1. So this is n equal to 1. 2n minus 1 means 2n minus 1 is lambda by 2. This is odd multiple. If I have taken plus here, hello, my dear friend. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
I take plus here,
Yes.
there's going to L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So you know 2n plus 1 means 0. I take a 0. So again lambda by 2 and 3 lambda by 2 and so on. So it is depend upon the value of n. And phase change means direction. Direction means plus direction and minus direction.
No, sir,
Okay.
I was not asking about this one. I was asking in the left hand side, it is minus lambda by 2. So how do we decide it will be minus lambda by 2 or plus lambda by 2?
It will decide by direction. Hello.
Yes, sir.
It will direction plus minus means it will depend upon direction. Which direction taken?
Sir, plus direction means then?
Plus
Direction
means positive direction.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Okay, positive and negative direction. There are two directions. Okay. It depends upon direction which direction taken. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes, sir.
same thing had, in the when we talk about intensity of maxima minima. So 2n plus 1 lambda by 2 it is answer, and 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 this is both are answer. For the minima intensity odd multiple. So here you taken the value of n, and plus minus lambda by 2 means we talked about the direction. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again, this is when this condition satisfied. When this condition satisfied, then we get the dark fringes. Yeah, you can say that this is the condition for minima. Again, mostly mostly we have taken -1. कोई बात. It is depend upon the direction what you choose it. Okay. So again, this one is path difference in transmitted ray of light. This one. This is the path difference in transmitted ray of light. Same manner. Same manner means the path difference between transmitted ray of light BT1 and D2 is given by same. How can I determine this one? We have discussed about the path difference due to reflected ray of light. So we can also calculate the path difference with the transmitted ray of light. So what is this? This is the transmitted ray of light. You seen on screen? Have you seen a screen? So what is path difference? Path difference equal to the ray of light in BCD or minus BL. This is this is the this is the interference due to refraction. This is the interference of light due to reflected of light. This is interference due to transmitted of light. We have calculated this one. This is the path difference minus this one. Same here. Same here means BC D minus BL. So I write here. Again, I write here like this one. Have you seen this one? The path difference between transmitted of light BT1 and D2 is given by P is equal to mu BC plus CD minus BL. Same value will come. Same value will come. What is value? Value will equal to 2 mu T cos R. The path difference in transmitted ray of light is 2 mu T cos R. Same value you have to calculate. And in this case, there is no phase change. I tell you that when light passes from denser medium to rarer medium, there is no phase change. So that what is the exact path difference? Exact path difference is 2 mu T cos R. So for maxima value, 2 mu T cos R is equal to n lambda. For minima value, 2 mu T cos equal to 2n plus lambda by 2 or 2n minus 1 lambda by t. It will depend upon the value of n. So this is the condition for maxima minima for the transmitted ray of light, and this is the path difference for the path difference for the transmitted ray of light. Same value will become, but there is no phase difference. Phase difference means position. Phase difference means lambda by 2 is the path difference. It will rise from phase difference. When phase difference is pi, so path difference is lambda by 2. Here is no phase difference. There is no path difference. Okay, so that in the case of transmitted ray of light, the path difference is 2 mu T cos R. So for maxima, this condition, and for minima, 2 mu T cos R is equal to. For maxima, 2 mu T cos equal to n lambda. For minima, 2 mu T cos R is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. Any question, doubt? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir,
Yes, Asika.
sir, when will we get, sir, dark fringe और light fringe कब मिलेगी? एक बार वो बता दो.
सर क्या फिर बोलो?
When will we get dark fringe and light fringe?
Yes, I tell you. You know what it is? I tell you. When this condition is satisfied, seen this one? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When this condition is satisfied, this is the condition for maxima. So we get maxima intensity. Okay? And when this condition is satisfied, this one, 2 mu T cos R is equal to L lambda, we get the minima intensity. Minima intensity means dark fringes, Maximum intensity means bright fringes. Clear? Mansika.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir, the value of n in transmitted ray is also same.
Hello. Yes, Partha. Yes.
Sir, the value of n in transmitted ray is also same.
Yes, path difference is same. Hello, what is the question? You tell me. Again, repeat your question. My voice is not audible. Can you repeat your question, Mr. Partha?
Yeah, understand.
Open your camera. Open your camera.
Yes, sir.
It was question, beta. Tell me.
So I was saying the path difference was the only difference because we are going from tensor to rare medium.
Yes. I tell you, what is this? This is the. I tell you, this is first slide you've seen here. Again, I want to go back to see slide. Okay. When light passes from rare to denser, there is phase change of pi. But when light passes from denser to rare, there is no phase change. Clear? There is no phase change. Light rare to denser, this is phase change of pi. Okay?
Yes.
This is popular. What is your question again? This was the question? This is your question or another one?
Yes, sir, I understood.
So, again, I talk about the new topic. This one. Phase shift. Again, we're talking about the phase shift. Have you seen phase shift? Have you seen on screen phase shift?
Yes, sir, we can see
Yes,
the
sir.
side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to discuss about the phase shift. What is phase shift? First one. Second, how can interference take place in phase shift method? Second, and third, we discuss about what is the fringe width in the case of phase shift method. This is also mentioned in my lab. This is also mentioned in my physics lab. So I discuss this one. You know what is phase shift? Again, I want to discuss about the phase shift. Again, yes, this one. Suppose that this thin film. Suppose that this is thin film. Okay? Have you seen on screen? Sorry, on your camera?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is, this is the upper level. This is the lower level. Clear?
Yes, sir.
When this is, there is very small angle between them. This is theta. This shape is known as wave shape. This is known as wave. When the difference, upper layer and lower layer have a very small angle. So this is known as wave shape. How can you see? I want to see by the photo. Like this one. This is, have you seen on screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The, OA, there's two layers, OA and OB. There's two layers, OA and OB. Clear? So there are two layers. This is upper layer, this is lower layer. They are separate. They have a difference of, they are at angle theta. So this is known as wave shape. Again, I want to say you. Again, I want to say you like this. Hello, please see. Yeah, you can say that another one. Again, this one is the upper surface and lower surface. If they are at a small angle at theta, this is known as wave shape. Okay, this is called wave shape. Clear? You get my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
I want to say, let me consider thin wave shape film of refractive index bounded by two surfaces, OA and OB at angle theta as shown in figure. This is known as wave shape, and interference occurs between the ray of light at the upper surface and the lower surface of film. We get, we get the interference pattern when the light is reflected from upper surface and lower surface and lower surface of the film. So, again, I discuss about this one, this figure. This figure? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen
Yes, sir,
this
we
figure?
can see.
This
We
is
can see,
OA,
sir.
this is lower surface, and this is upper surface. Light incident here. Hello, this light is incident here. Part of light is reflected. Part of light is reflected from the other surface. Interference pattern is observed. So we get alternate dark, bright fringes. Alternate, we get the dark, bright fringes. So I want to calculate the fringe width. Fringe width is, what is the fringe width? The width of fringe in the case of transmitted, wedge set film. So you know, I suppose that there's a point P. Here is the formation of NS fringes takes place. This is the distance is xn. Again, suppose that point Q, which is a distance of xn plus 1, there is a formation of n plus 1 fringes takes place. So you know, this is OA and OB. This is known as the wave shape. Wave shape means when light incident here, just normal incident here, some part is reflected, some part is transmitted. Again, reflection takes place this sphere, and this will be interfere, and interference pattern is observed. So in this case, we get the alternate dark bright fringes. So you know, again, I will discuss about this one when when the light incident normally at the point C on the film, the path difference between the ray of light at upper surface and lower surface is 2 mu t cos r. You get my point? Hello? You get my point? You know, again, the light incident here, you suffer this one and again suffer this one next surface.
Sir,
You know, light incident here. So what is this? You know, this is refractive index mu. Thickness is t. Thickness is small t. And when light incident here, so they have suffered from air to medium. So when light passes from air to medium, they have changed a phase difference of pi, and path difference is lambda by 2. What is path difference? The ray of light when suffer from two ray of light, this is 2 mu t cos r. You get my point or not? You know, again, when the light incident normally at the point C of the film, the path difference between the refractive ray of light of upper surface and lower surface is 2 mu t cos r. But for normal incidence, r is 0, cos 0 is 1. So that the path difference is 2 mu t, where t is the thickness of the film. Additional path difference is lambda by 2 is introduced because when light passes from rare to denser, the phase difference is pi, so that path difference is lambda by 2. So what is this? You know, therefore, the effective path difference between the upper surface and lower surface is P is equal to 2 mu t lambda by 2. You are not able to understand. Hello? Hello?
Sir, I understand.
Yes, sir.
Well, again, I repeat
could you
it.
explain again?
Hello?
So please
Hello?
repeat. So
Sir,
please
know-
please
repeat.
repeat.
Sorry?
Please repeat.
Sir, please
Sir,
repeat.
Okay,
Please explain once again, sir.
Yes, I repeat it, no problem. You know, again, you know already you calculate. Hello, you have to calculate that this one. You have seen this reflective layer. This one. The effective path difference between two reflectors of light from two surfaces is this one and this one is 2 mu t cos r. You know very well.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
So I have used here, but this is wave shape. So you know, in this case, when you know path difference between upper surface and path difference from the lower surface, the path difference will be 2 mu t cos r. But when light incident normally, what is r? R is 0. So then what is cos r? What is the value of cos r?
1.
1. Yes.
One
Good.
night.
Good. So you know, I want to come to the point. You know, when light is incident normally at point C on the film, point C of the film is this one, point C. Have you seen on screen? Point C?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Seen? Yes. When for normal incidence, you know, for normal incidence, the path difference will be equal to 2 mu t because cos r is 1. Okay, clear? I written here for normal incidence, cos r is 1, so that effective path difference will be 2 mu t r 2 mu t plus minus lambda by 2. What is this? You know, again, so that the effective path difference between two rays from upper surface and lower surface is 2 mu t minus lambda by 2. Actually, it will be 2 mu t cos r, but for normal incidence, this will be equal to cos r is equal to 1, so that p is equal to 2 mu t minus lambda by 2. It is clear?
सर तो अगर नॉर्मल इंसिडेंट नहीं हो रही है तो दोनों का पार्ट डिफरेंस सेम होगा, जो पहले हम लोगों ने पढ़ा तो अभी वेज वाला जो पढ़ा है.
हेलो यस अगेन व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन?
तो मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर नॉर्मली इंसिडेंट नहीं हो रही है तो फिर दोनों का पार्ट डिफरेंस
2 mu t cos r. You mentioned that for normal incidence. Hello, my dear friend. Hello.
Yes sir.
You mentioned here. You listen this
Yes
word.
sir, I understand that. I was just asking if it was not normal, then the part difference will be the same.
Yes. You know, you have to mention clearly here. You know, oh sorry, just come. You know, you mentioned that for normal incidence at point C. You see
Yes,
this
sir.
one? This one?
Yes yes.
So that what is the value of cos r? What is the value of cos r?
1.
1.
1. Good.
1.
So what is this? You know, again. So you know this one. So we want to talk about the condition for maxima and minima. You know, this is path difference. So that condition for maxima and intensity is equal to 2 mu t minus lambda by 2 is equal to L lambda. This is the condition for maxima and intensity. You know this one? You know this one?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes. Then 2 mu t is equal to 2 n plus lambda by 2. When this condition is satisfied, we get maxima and intensity. Okay? And for minima and intensity, you know, part difference equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. So what is this? 2 mu t is equal to L lambda. When this condition is satisfied, then we get the maximum minima and intensity. So we get like this one, you know, we get the like this one, you know, maxima and minima. You get my point? Have you get
Sir?
my point? Yes or no? Answer
Yes,
no,
sir.
answer.
sir.
Okay. So you
Excuse me,
know.
sir.
Yes, हाँ. Any question?
Yes,
Doubt?
सर एक बार आप दोबारा समझा दो कि वो हमारा एंगल 0 कैसे है ताकि cos थीटा की वैल्यू 1 आ रही है.
You know this. You know, a light isn't here like this one. Okay, and reflection takes place just back. So for normal incidence, hello.
हाँ जी सर.
For normal incidence, R is 0. Clear? Hello.
Yes sir.
You get my point or not?
Yes sir.
You know, light incident here reflected in same direction. So what is this? R is 0. So cos R is?
Cos r is 1.
1.
You know, it is have you seen the figure? This is this one. You know this one here, this one. Clear? Hello?
Yes sir.
दो घूम रहे क्या बोलते उसको एरो.
So you know, this is the condition for maxima and minima. So I want to calculate the fringe width. Hello,
Sir?
anybody? Manshika,
Sir?
tell me.
सर अगर वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके लाइक वापस जा रही है तो 180 डिग्री का एंगल नहीं होना चाहिए.
No. आप you know Snell's law, you know reflection angle I R.
यस सर.
So you have to this is the follow rules of last reflection.
Okay, sir.
फिर यहाँ जनरेट वो बड़ा वाला माइक पे तो माइक
So you know what is this? I want to calculate the spacing between two consecutive fringes. Two consecutive fringes means hello. You know the distance between two consecutive dark fringes or the distance between two consecutive bright fringes is known as fringe width. Clear? For the nth dark film we have, I already have calculated this condition. For the this one, 2 mu t is equal to n lambda. You see this one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 mu t is equal to n lambda for dark fringes. So let the fringe is to be obtained this distance xn from the edge, then from figure. This is figure. This is figure means the value. This is theta angle between OA and OB. You see here the angle between OB and OB is theta. Have you seen this one?
Yes, sir.
At
Yes.
point P, this is thickness. Suppose that point, this is C, this is point C, this is P. This is point C, this is point P. The thickness T. Then what is the value of tan theta? This point is T. This point is C. This point is C. This point is P. So
CP
this is
upon OP.
T. Yes. What is the value of this value is xn? Then what is the value of tan theta?
CP upon XN.
CP
Yes.
upon OP.
Yes, good. The value of tan theta is equal to, this one. Just a minute, wait. T by xn. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If theta is, so you can write here, T is equal to xn tan theta. You can write here.
Yes, sir.
If theta is very small, so you can write here theta is very small. So you can write here tan theta is equal to theta. You can write here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is T? T is equal to xn theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I substitute the value of T in equation number 1. I substitute this value in equation number 1. So using this in equation 1, we get 2 mu into T. T means xn theta is equal to n lambda. 2 mu to xn theta is equal to n lambda. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then similarly for if n plus 1th dark frame is obtained at distance of xn plus 1 from the edge, then what is the value? I simply have you seen on the screen? Have you seen this question 2? Have you
Yes,
seen
sir.
this question 2?
Yes.
Then I simply put n xn plus 1, where we have to you have to put n plus 1 instead of n. So equation 2 becomes like 3. Equation 3, 2 mu x n plus 1 theta is equal to n plus 1 lambda, because for more than 1, so we have added plus 1. More than 1, if again I want to clear. This is for x, xn. Xn means this is for the nth fringes at distance of xn. Okay, so this value is 2 mu xn theta is equal to n lambda. If I consider for that, consider that for n plus 1 dark film, so we put n plus 1 instead of n. So this will become 2 mu xn plus 1 theta is equal to n plus 1 theta. So this will be equal to 2 mu xn plus 1 theta is equal to n plus 1 lambda. Clear? Clear or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes or no? Vanshika? Anshuman?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay.
That's
So
clear.
I want to difference subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. So this one, 2 mu theta is common. This is equal to xn plus 1. You know 2 mu theta is common, so this is xn plus 1 minus 2. minus 2 means action, and when we cancel out, this will be lambda. When I subtracted question 2 from question 3, we get 2 mu theta is equal to x and plus 1 minus x equal to lambda. So what is this? This is distance between two consecutive dark fringes. This is known as spacing, W. So W is equal to xn plus 1 xn. So this is equal to what? Lambda upon 2 mu theta. So this is known as fringe width. For what? For the wave-shaped film. For the wave-shaped film, beta fringe width is equal to lambda upon 2 mu theta. Lambda is equal to 2 mu theta. So when t is equal to 0, when thickness is 0, so p is equal to lambda by 2. This is condition for minima and central spot is dark. I want to tell you that what is this W? What is W? W is fringe width. Fringe width is directly proportional to wavelength and inversely proportional to refractive index mu and theta. So the fringe width in the case of wedge method, the fringe width is lambda upon 2 mu theta. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I want to have some question. Tell me answer. Which of the following does not show any interference pattern? Any one of you?
Thick film.
A thick film. A thick film.
Thick film.
C.
Anyone? Probable?
C.
Excessive?
C.
Sir, C.
Sir.
C.
C.
Good. Yes, B is the exact answer. Good. Next one. Question. When a soft film is illuminated with white light from a point source will be seen.
Colored
You know,
Colored
Colored fringes.
A.
yes, white.
Colored.
Wait,
Colored
when we,
fringes.
good. When we use the white light, then we get the color fringes. Very good. Third question. If the wavelength of light incident on wave-shaped film is increased, then what is the fringe width? Increases or decreases?
Increases. A option.
Increases.
A.
A option.
A.
Remain same. C.
Yes, anyone?
A option, sir. Directly proportional.
Because you know, I tell you, fringe width is
Sir,
equal to
A.
lambda upon 2 theta. Yes, good. Sarthak Gupta, very good. So what is this? Increases. Next question. Question number 4. If a refractive index of medium of wave-shaped film
B option, sir.
Decrease.
Decreases.
B, sir. Decreases.
Decreases.
B. Decreases.
Shabash. Question. What will be the phase change if light reflected from the surface of denser medium? Means which
No phase change.
No
Sir,
phase
B option.
change.
No phase change.
No change.
Or what is question? Listen question. When light passes from rare to denser, then what is phase change?
No face.
Pi.
No.
अच्छा
Pi.
Pi, sir.
pi
Pi,
का
pi.
Okay, good. When denser to rare, there is no phase change. Hello, my dear friend. Please get my question. Okay, you get my question?
Yes, sir.
Again, next question. Which type of interference pattern will be observed when a circular air thin film is illuminated by a monochromatic light of wavelength lambda?
Parallel.
Sorry?
Parallel.
No.
Sir, how do we answer this question on what basis?
Sorry?
सर मतलब इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे आंसर करें?
What I recommend I recommend you for books. I have given about this one. Okay, if you go detail, so study the books. Yeah, yes or no? Hello,
So
Okay,
which
sir.
we should prefer?
Sir, which book, sir?
Sir, which book, sir?
I have hello. I have already recommended you. There are number of books. For optics, Birla Subramaniam. Ajay Khatak. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. For optics, Bilal and Subramaniam. This is for optics. And another book is Ajay Khatak. If you want to take in one book, so you take an engineering series by Satya Prakash. Have you any book?
Yes, sir.
Books have many questions. So you have to make practice more and more. have taken any books? If you hello,
Yes, sir.
I get a noise from your background. You know, you had taken any books from your seniors. If you know about seniors, if anyone, you should have at least one book engineering physics for engineering physics for any writer. Hello, you get my point? You can take in any engineering physics from anyone. If you want to purchase, then you have to purchase engineering physics by Satya Prakash. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then any question, any
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
anyone? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
attendance.
Okay. I
Please
hope.
upload this PPT on the
I hope doubt is clear.
Sir, will you upload
Yes,
this
Vansika, tell
PPT
me.
on LMS? Will you upload this PPT on
Yes,
LMS?
I uploaded. Today I uploaded. Okay, today I uploaded because I finished. There is question. There is some MC question. Today I uploaded. Okay, on your LMS. Okay.
Sir, please upload it on MS Team as well.
MS Team.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी सर, MS Teams पे भी कर दीजिए please.
ठीक, I will do. Okay, I will do. Okay. Any question to any? Hello, please tell me what is any question, doubt? Ansuman, your doubt was clear.
Yes, sir.
Vanshika, your doubt was clear.
Sir, labs related doubt. Can I ask?
After next time you to ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You know. Yes.
Sir,
I
would
want
you
to take
recommend any book?
Hello. Yes.
Sir, will you recommend any book?
Yes, I tell you. Engineering physics by Satya Prakash.
Okay, sir.
I tell you, you have taken. Hello, Neha.
Yes, sir.
You have taken any book from your friends, from your senior, and so on. Okay.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
If you not get any books from anywhere, so you have to purchase engineering physics by Satya Prakash.
Okay, sir.
It will be try to cover all parts of your syllabus.
Thank you, sir.
Attendance, please. Jasandeep,
Present, sir.
open your camera. Spurs,
Present, sir.
Spurs. Bhavini, Pranjal, Rama,
Present, sir.
Bipin,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Divyanshi,
Present, sir.
Divyam,
Sir.
Divyam,
Present, sir.
Mohit,
Present, sir.
Shekhar,
Present, sir.
Sahil,
Present, sir.
RC Goyal, RC, Vansika,
Present, sir.
Vidhi,
Present, sir.
Shivans,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Hiren,
Present, sir.
Gauri,
Present, sir.
Samir,
Present, sir.
Shreya,
Present, sir.
Sudiksha,
Present, sir.
just a minute. Yes,
Present, sir. Yash.
Hardik, Vansveer,
Present, sir. Vanshveer.
Vansveer,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
hello, Vansveer,
Hello.
Sankirta,
Sir, Vanshveer present.
Sankirta,
Hello.
Present, sir. Sankit, sir.
okay, Sankit, Ishita,
Present, sir.
Neha,
Present, sir, Neha.
Parth,
Yes, sir.
Aitya, Sajja, Satvik,
Present, sir. Present, sir. Sir, present.
Lakshika Bhagat, Lakshika.
Present, sir.
Sagar,
Present, sir.
Aitya,
Present, sir.
Prajwal.
Sir, Prajwal present, sir.
Santanu,
Present, sir.
Ojas, Naman,
Present, sir.
Yuvraj,
Present, sir, Yuvraj.
Kushag, Nikita,
Present, sir.
Pragati,
Present, sir.
Vani, Arunit,
Present, sir.
Hemang,
Present, sir.
Sudhanshu,
Present, sir.
Ariman, Daksh,
Sir, present, sir.
Rakshit,
Present, sir. Rakshit, present, sir.
yes, Aryan,
Present, sir.
Nibir, Anshuman Garg,
Anshuman Garg present, sir.
Prapti, Parth Bansal,
Present, sir.
Anushka, Dakshit,
Present, sir.
Bhapya,
Present, sir.
Kitan Sharma, Sarang, Sarthak.
Present, sir.
Okay. Hello, Panchika. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Next turn you have to ask first question. Okay. Next turn you have to ask question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I want to discuss your question.
Hello.
I want to discuss your question.
सर मेरे को मैं एक्चुअली मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि लैब में वर्चुअल लैब में मेरी रीडिंग्स नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा तो लैब में you to talk this
हाँ.
in lab.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Thank you. Okay, all the best to all of you.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, could you confirm the attendance for past one, sir?
If you know, talk to your CR. If you okay, I make you attendance. If you absent, then you inform to your CR. CR inform me, then I make you present. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Am I audible, sir?
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
Sir,
I think you could not hear me during the attendance. So once we.
I make you present. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, may we leave?
Yes, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.